Let's solve this challenging trigonometric integral. We need to evaluate the integral of dx over sine of x minus a times sine of x minus b, where is not equal to b. The key to solving this integral is to use a clever substitution. First, let's rewrite the numerator using the sign difference formula for x minus a minus x minus b. This simplifies to sine of b minus a. Let's use this to rewrite our integral. Our integral can now be written as the integral of sine of b minus a divided by sine of b minus a times sine of x minus a times sine of x minus b, all times dx. This simplifies to 1 over sine of b minus a times the integral of cotangent of x minus b minus cotangent of x minus a dx. Now we can use the integral formula for cotangent. The integral of cotangent is the natural logarithm of the absolute value of sine. Applying this formula to our integral gives us 1 over sine of b minus a times the natural log of the absolute value of sine of x minus b over sine of x minus a plus c. As a note, we can use a similar approach to solve the related integral with cosine terms in the denominator instead of sine terms. The key to solving these types of integrals is recognizing the trigonometric identities and relationships that can help simplify the expression. Thank you for watching.